Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, if you're looking for the most spectacular mint original 77 RD400 for sale on planet Earth today, you're looking at it. This thing is 100% certified, one owner, original, right down to the tires. Look at the rear tire, that's the original. This bike's gonna be 50 years old in 12 months when the 27s come out. To find one with 7,232 meticulously maintained one owner miles with full documentation is, well, it's like 1 in a million chances, really. And I'll show you the documentation in a minute, but take a close look at this thing. That's the original front tire, has the original grips, the original levers, original everything. The bike's never been dropped, never been abused. It's always been stored indoors. We just had to do a preservation service on it, which was clean the carburetors, put a new battery in it, went through the fuel system, cleaned out the tank, and that's about it. The bike is as close to finding one in the crate as you'll ever find. It's truly remarkable that it's survived 50 years in this condition. The original saddle is in mint shape. The original paint job still shines beautifully. You know, it's just unheard of to find one in this condition. Let me show you the documentation. Check this out. This is the original title from 1978 when he purchased the bike. Here's the original receipt. He paid $1,275 for it. That's the good news. The bad news is it's worth, well over 10 times that today. Here's the only service ticket we could find on it. That's when he had the carbs cleaned and the points and timing adjusted and a tune-up done on it at 7,227 miles, which was, well, 5 miles ago. It has 7,232 miles on it. So he had that done and parked the bike. That was it. This is the original pink slip from the dealer showing $1,275 for the Yamaha. We've got the original manual in the wrapper right here. Just remarkable to get this provenance with the bike. Bike's never been painted. It's never been restored. This is an original classic in showroom condition. Even the chains and sprockets are original on this. It runs perfect. Runs perfectly. It looks outstanding. Electrically, the bike's a 10. The turn signals, the horn, the high-low beam, everything works beautifully on it. The techs gave it a 100-point inspection. It doesn't need anything. We didn't have to do anything to it. So it's exactly the way we got it, and it's a pristine example. If you're looking for the best, this is it, man. You can restore them. Sometimes, you know, bikes can be frame up restored, but they're only original once, and this is the hallmark of a highly collectible classic. Is an original one owner. This is the high water mark for the 77 RD. It doesn't get any better than this. Not much else to say other than don't snooze on this one. You better call Junior. There's a lot of collectors that love these bikes. This thing will be gone in a New York second. Call them at 860-471-0192. Also want to add, eBay has been down since the 11th. It's now the 29th. So we had to move forward without them. Their listing tool was broken. Go ahead and punch it in the chat GPT. You'll see that it's an industry-wide blackout on the motorcycle and motors section of eBay. We've been unable to list new vehicles. So we have our own site at kaplancycles.com, classic Kaplan cycles. Just click on our website, and in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see classic motors. Is that what it says, Tyler?
Yes, it's classic motors inventory. Yep.
Classic motor, and just click on that, and all the bikes for auction and beyond for sale. I would call on this one. We probably won't get to listing this until a couple days after the video comes up, and quite often the real collectors will swoop in like an eagle and grab it because they know this is irreplaceable. Is it perfect cosmetically? No, it's not perfect cosmetically. If we look really closely with a critical eye, we'll see that there's a very, 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 very tiny nick in the paint there, and one right here. You could call it a ding or a nick. I think, oh, there's one right here too that you won't even notice them unless you point them out.
That's even showing up on camera.
Yeah, and on the back of the fender, there's two little round spots right here. which I don't think came from the factory like that. Sometimes they're weld spots, but I don't think that's what that is. There's a little bit of patina on it that's consistent of it being 100% original, not repainted, not touched up, classic. It's original paint on the frame, original paint on the engine covers. It's just, normally we'll polish the fork lowers on this and clean up the rim lips and everything. We didn't want to do any of that because this was the nicest original. If you want any of those services done, we charge $150 an hour. We can polish the fork lowers, we can polish the rims, anything you want done. Just give Junior a call. Thanks for watching. Don't snooze or you're going to lose. This will be gone. And God bless America.